सबसे पहले तो ये बताइए यार, ये जो पूरा फैंडम, जो पूरा पागलपन जो हो रहा है पूरे इंटरनेट पे, पूरे वर्ल्ड में जो हो रहा है, उसके बाद कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
सर इट्स एन इनक्रेडिबल फीलिंग फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल. मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था.
हम्म.
The response the film has got, it is so amazing, and all the love and support that the public is given after watching the film, the reaction has been crazy. Yeah.
So how did it, how did it start, entire thing? ये शुरुआत कैसे हुई? ऑडिशन कैसे हुआ था? कहाँ से शुरुआत हुई इसकी?
Ji sir. So it started in 2018.
हम्म.
Approximately in October, I was auditioned for this by Tess Joseph, and she called me for the audition. I went through several rounds, but it was really very difficult. I cannot say it was very easy. A lot of action sequence, a lot of emotional sequence during the audition processes. I 6 to 5 rounds, a huge competition also. I gave my best, and my mom was sitting outside. She was praying. So I gave the audition, and she really liked me, and there was a positive response from her side. And so I was really very excited. And then I remember in the seventh round, she told me you have the director's meeting, and with
हम्म.
Sam Hargrave, and I was like, oh, I'm so excited to meet him because looking at his past work experience, Sam Sir has contributed so much for the Avengers, Marvel, and I was a huge fan. I'm
Yeah,
a
yeah,
Marvel.
all the fantastic actions, yeah.
Yeah, I met Sam. So he had a very big beard that time when I met him.
हम्म.
So I was like, "Sir, आप ये beard इतनी होगा? Why are you growing such a long beard?" He was like, "It's for the director's look." Like, oh, that's cool. And we discussed a lot about the film, the character, our personal life, and I also tried to take out a few spoilers from him, but I was unsuccessful. He did not tell me. He said,
Okay.
"Ruth, watch Endgame first." He was like that.
But then did you know कि भाई इसमें हीरो कौन होने वाले हैं, और जब हीरो के बारे में पता चला तब कैसे लगा?
Sir, during the audition process, I did not know that Joe Russo sir has written the script. Tyler Rake will be played by Chris Hemsworth, sir, and the director is Sam Hargrave, sir. I did not know anything. I was ignorant, and when I got to know that I will be sharing my screen with Chris sir, I was like, my heart skipped a beat. I cannot forget that moment. I ran outside. I went to my mom, and I'm like, मम्मा मैं सिलेक्ट हो गया. एंड शी वाज लाइक क्या बोल रहे हो. और सबसे फनी बात ये है कि जब मैं
हम्म.
गया ना वहां पे मम्मा के पास, तो मैंने बताया, मम्मा को क्रिस हेम्सवर्थ पता नहीं था वो कौन है. तो मैंने
ओके.
बताया मम्मा, मैं क्रिस हेम्सवर्थ के साथ काम करने वाला हूँ. तो लाइक वो कौन है बेटा. एंड आई वाज लाइक मम्मा आप क्रिस सर को नहीं जानते, वो तो थॉर है. एंड शी इज लाइक नहीं
या.
बेटा नहीं जानते. And after that, she Googled him. Then she found out he plays Thor. And yeah, I watched. I'm his crazy fan. I watched all his films. Rush, Cash, amazing films.
तो फ्रेंड्स, आपके जो फ्रेंड्स हैं, स्पेशली गर्लफ्रेंड्स जो भी है, जो भी उनके रिएक्शंस क्या थे व्हेन यू दे केम टू नो अबाउट योर वर्किंग विद हिम?
Sir. So first of all, I had my board exams when I
हम्म.
was going to shoot for this film, but the producers and the casting director Tess ma'am came to my school and they successfully shifted my board exams to the next year, which is Feb March, and I could shoot the entire year. And when I posted the first photo with Chris sir, I mean, it was my phone was buzzing. I was like messages, phone calls. They were asking for FaceTime, autograph. They're like, please एक बार एक फोटो सर से. अब मतलब जिन लोगों को मैं जानता भी नहीं था स्कूल में उनके भी मैसेजेस आ रहे थे. I was like, okay, who's
बाप
that
रे.
guy? So I was kind of very confused, but yeah, they loved it. I feel they all are my well wishers, and I share a lot of proximity with them, so they all are very good people.
बट देन फर्स्ट मीट कैसी रही, जो उनके साथ फर्स्ट मीट, पहली मुलाकात?
यस सर. तो पहली मुलाकात मेरी अहमदाबाद में हुई जब मैं 10th में था. where the monitor was situated and my mom was on her phone. And हर 5 सेकंड में बाहर जा रहा था वापस, बार बार देख रहा था कि क्रिस्टर है क्या, क्रिस्टर है क्या. So then he came. There was trance music playing everywhere, good vibe. We were shooting for the Runner,
हम्म.
and with his fitness trainer Luke Sochi, Bobby Dazzler, stunt double, and his manager Aaron. He came and he started dancing. He's like, yeah, he's doing all that stuff, and I got shocked. I'm like, oh, that's Thor himself. So I ran, I advanced towards him. I freaked out. And I said the iconic dialogue from Avengers Infinity War, which is "Bring me Thanos." I said that, and he was like, "Nice one, mate," and he gave me a hug like that. He's like, "Nice one, Rudy." I almost fainted from the inside. I was like, "Thank you, sir." I couldn't say anything because, pata nahi, it was Thor. I was just standing right beside him, and yeah, that was my first meeting.
So when you were आप ये फिल्म कर रहे थे तो जो you were representing Indian teenagers जो है तो कभी क्रिस used to ask you कि आपको पूछते थे कि कैसी लोगों को आपके जो एज ग्रुप को कैसी फिल्में लग रही है क्या लग रहा है what is there in India reactions क्या है तो कभी ऐसे discussions होते थे?
Yes, sir. Before we started shooting in Ahmedabad, we had a lot of readings, and in
Hmm.
those reading sessions almost every day after lunch, and we discussed a lot about our characters, about our film, about our personal life, and I told my work experience also, and he discussed a lot of stuff. And when I'm in India right now, he's in Byron Bay, Australia, so I keep messaging him every time, and he replies back and he tells me, he guides me basically to everything. I ask him how should I start auditioning in Hollywood. Um, could you please guide me any good acting workshop available in New York, something that is related to acting, and he really helps and he guides me. And I told him about a lot of procedures that happen in India about the Indian films. Um, I asked him about his favorite Indian actor, but he did not know one. And once, so we were shooting when he posted the first photo with me and Sam sir. Um, Ranveer Singh sir, I think so. He commented on that post and he's like, "Hey hero," and then I told him
Okay.
that he's a very big star in India, and he was like, "Nice, oh, I did not know that." So yeah, that happened. Um, and first of all, I'm really very grateful to represent India at
That's
such
right.
a
Yeah.
and I'm really glad people from the abroad are seeking out roles and writing scripts on India. That is really very good because we as individuals get to represent the country so beautifully and we get to show the diversity, the culture, everything that is involved in India.
But again, then working with Sam, so how was the stunt stuff? He's the best one what we got in entire world. People are like looking forward to that. And when you had some fantastic action, तो इतना जो अच्छा action था, तो उनके साथ कैसे रहा? कौन सा action scene सबसे tough रहा आपके लिए?
Sir, first of all, Sam sir, के लिए, I mean, I don't have words because I'm actually speechless because he's so good at what he does.
Hmm.
He does all the stuff out of the box. You cannot expect. And if you're doing like an emotional scene, you might have seen the film where we were in
Yeah.
the safe house. So he came from the behind, he just cracked a joke, and we started laughing. And his sense of humor is so good. He can make you laugh like that. His sense of he's a very funny guy. And Extraction is a film that has a lot of action, emotion, and we couldn't have pulled it off without Sam sir and Daniel Stevens, who serves as the stunt coordinator on this film, and our beautiful stunt team, Dan, Battlecat Stunts. They were all so professionals and got things done very easily. And yeah, so thankful to them. They helped me. When we started shooting, also they prepared a test footage for
Okay.
all the actors. Especially my majority of my scenes were with Chris sir. So they prepared a test footage in which you see it and you get to know what you have to do with
Hmm.
the sequence. So I saw that test footage and I was wowed. I was like, oh, that is so beautifully designed. And I understood everything what I have to do. I saw that a couple of times, and Sam sir also guided me through all the difficulties that I had. And yeah, because he does a lot of stunts, and actually I do a lot of gymnastics and MMA also, so that helped me cope up with the action sequences. And Daniel sir, Sam sir, Battle Cats, they all helped me. And especially we should be really very thankful to our safety and security team because they put their heart and soul. They told us all the safety precautions that were needed before the scene started. Beautiful team.
But which was your favorite action? जो कौन सा favorite action scene था?
Sir, I really like that. I like two scenes. One is emotional and the physical one. The physical one is all the action sequences with Chris sir, first of all, and I like the one where it is a part of the one hour where it starts from a car chase, then to an abandoned building, where the
Hmm.
goon
Hmm. Oh,
capture
superb scene.
sewing shop, and I throw poles at him, all that stuff, and I fall. That was a very, very good scene. You know, it's Sam's vision and creativity what makes the film what it is. It is very, very different to pull off this kind of stuff, and this kind of action you've not seen anywhere.
Yeah.
Uh, the emotional scene I like is the safe house one where I kill Gasper and I break down. It speaks about the volumes of Tyler's OV's unexpected journey and their beautiful bond that is built up with every sequence that they have together. So yeah, I love that scene. It makes me cry every time I watch it.
So the maximum questions which we are getting यहाँ पे कि did Chris like Indian food? इसके बारे में क्या कुछ खिलाया था आपने?
Yes, sir. A lot of Indian delicacies we had together. So we were in Hayat, Hyderabad, and I remember it was Diwali that time. So I went up to him. I went up to his room and I was like, "Is Krista there in the room right now? Is he gone down for gymming?" So he's like, "Yeah, come on, mate." And that was his voice. I was like, "Yeah, nice." Ooh. So he didn't know about Diwali, but I explained him all the stuff, all about the crackers. He loved the crackers. It was like a big window seat where you could watch all the crackers bursting, and we even went down to burst crackers afterwards. So I told him, "Sir, did you have some Indian dishes here?" Like, no, man. I don't know anyone. Um, so I was like, yeah, let's order something. So I was like, fine. I told him a few dishes like butter chicken, chicken tikka, rajma chawal. So he ordered that, and I was like, yeah, bring it on. Um, we had a lot of stuff, and he loved chicken tikka first of all. He liked paneer tikka also, and he was asking for more and more stuff. After that, we had pizzas. We went down to burst crackers. I showed him a lot of my advertisements also, Hindi advertisements, so he liked them. But we had a lot of fun in India. A lot of Indian delicacies, a lot of sightseeing we did together. Made a lot of funny videos. But he loved the food, I'm sure.
कुछ muscles बढ़ाने के लिए tips दिए उन्होंने?
Yes, sir. Unke the first his app Center, which is recently opened on Android and as well as on iOS. So he's told me to follow the app because it tells you everything and mostly it's functional, no weight training. So that is the most unique point about that. So I mostly use Center and Ahmedabad. We did a lot of gymming together. He taught me the sit threes, different types of squats, punches. We did a lot of boxing sessions together. And in Bangkok as well, there's a unique thing that he taught me, which is the underwater gymming.
Wow.
So after football, we used to plunge into the pool. We were so tired. We used to play some volleyball, and after that, his fitness trainers used to come, Bobby Dazzler and Luke Sochi, used to get some weights and a GoPro. So I was like, "What are you going to do, sir?" He said, "We're going to do some underwater gymming." I was very, very curious. I did not know what is underwater gymming, and when I saw him the first time, he approximately held his breath for almost 3 minutes. He was doing all the weight training below. I was like, how can you do that? I mean, 3 minutes with all the weights, it is so difficult, and all the weight that you have on your shoulders, your hands, it is very, very difficult to watch. And I was like, so can I try? And he was like, yeah, man, come on. And we did a lot of underwater gymming. So that was a very out of the box thing that I learned on set, which is underwater gymming, and I still do it. And yeah.
So they are we're getting some questions that did you show him Mahabharat? आपने महाभारत दिखाई उन्हें?
नहीं सर, उनको समझ नहीं आई हिंदी. When I showed him the few advertisements that I've done, he was kind of confused. What is word? But I do not show him Mahabharat. He don't understand because it has a lot of mythological dialogues. लेकिन अभी जब additional shoot हुआ था last year October में, तो I told him to say the Hindi iconic dialogue, which is बड़े बड़े देशों में छोटी छोटी बातें होती रहती है. तो उन्होंने वो बोला था. और he's like, this is better than my Spanish. Actually, उनको Spanish आती नहीं है, लेकिन he सिखा. So he's like, nice one, thank you. So he knows that dialogue. And yeah, I taught him that dialogue.
So Shah Rukh Khan should say thank you to you because you made his dialogue famous by Chris. Coming to, how was the meeting with Joe Russo?
Yes, sir. The meeting happened last year, April, when Joe Russo sir had come to Mumbai for the promotions of End Games. And he was promoting the film. So I messaged him. So could I meet you? And he said, yeah, let's fix some time. And I was really very excited. I mean, Joe, I'm going to get the person who's written Infinity Wars, Endgames,
Yeah.
Captain, so many films, and I was really very nervous. So the door opened and Joe Russo sir was just standing in front of me. I went there, Taj Lanson, where the promotion was happening. I went there and we had a good chat about the film. He was like, "You did an incredible job in the movie. People would love to see what you're gonna do next, and the chemistry you have between Chris sir and Ovi is incredible to watch." And he even promised me that he will surely cast me for another film. So you don't know, it may be a Marvel film also.
फिंगर्स
That's
क्रॉस फिंगर्स। तो कुछ मार्वल्स की फिल्मों पे और डिस्कशंस होते थे या कुछ और आप इनसाइट्स पूछते थे, कि ये तो फिल्म में देख लिया बट ये कुछ डिलीटेड सीन विद क्रिस आल्सो फॉर थॉर, फॉर्थ कमिंग थॉर के लिए कुछ इन दोनों के साथ क्या कुछ कुछ बताइए, सम एनेक्डोट जो लोगों को नहीं
yeah.
पता दोनों के साथ जो बात हुई थी।
Yes, sir. So I remember when we were going for the Christmas break. So we were doing that factory sequence. It was late night and Christmas vibes, jingle bell, all that stuff was going on. And so we were, Sam sir, Chris sir, and me were in the factory discussing the scene. And we discussed the scene. We understood all the important stuff that had remembered. And I asked him, "Sir, could you tell me one spoiler from Endgame? Only one spoiler." And he looked at Sam sir and he's like, something like that. So he did tell me a spoiler, but it was a fake one. He was
Okay.
giving me fake spoilers. He was like, Ant-Man will turn into Spider-Man. Spider-Man will go there. And I was like, how is that possible? Could you tell me the real one? And he's like, no, Rudy, you have to watch the film. I was very, very confused. I'm like, sir, that's not true. You have to tell me. So he understood that I got to know that that is not real. And yeah, I tried to take out a lot of spoilers, but they don't tell me. They're the mouth shut. It was very difficult. I just couldn't take out the spoilers.
बट क्रिस ने कुछ बताया आपको थॉर के बारे में, नेक्स्ट जो फिल्म थॉर की जो आ रही है?
Nothing. No spoilers about Thor: Love and Thunder. But his recent film is announced, which is the untitled biopic of Hulk Hogan. He's going to do that. So it was going to be shot. I think so. It's going to be shot next year, Jan or something. But I did congratulate him for that film and Thor: Love and Thunder. Epic. But he didn't tell me anything about it.
बट महाभारत के बारे में बताइए, अगेन इट्स बीइंग टेलीकास्ट, लोग वापस देख रहे हैं पूरा इस लॉकडाउन में, तो कैसे उसके बारे में अब नाउ उस वक्त जब आपने काम किया था तभी अलग बात था, आज व्हेन दे आर वाचिंग इट विद यू एज अ स्टार आउट देयर, तो वो कैसा लगता है?
Sir, first of all, it is a very, very grateful feeling that I have, a sense of gratitude, because when I started my journey, that was my first big role that I had as Sehdev Mahabharat. And that journey was extremely tough, I feel, because the challenges I faced where I never thought. I felt that an actor was hidden inside, but I was not pretty sure to move in which direction. But my mom, she helped me so much. She dedicated her time, everything in pursue acting, and everything fell into places. And I kept giving auditions relentlessly, and I got my first serial. But that also had a story to it because I approximately went through 12 rounds. I first gave my audition and there was a negative response. So I was like, okay, mama, I'm quite disappointed. But they again called me, again auditioned me, kept auditioning me, again auditions. And the scripts were so big and had a lot of mythological lines. So it was really very difficult. And I did that. And I remember the 10th time I had where all the producers were sitting and I had to perform the same audition at least. The 11th time I gave that, and the 12th time I remember. So I was sitting in the balcony when I got the confirmation that I was. तो हमारे घर में जाली है बालकनी के, मस्कीटो प्रोटेक्टिंग समथिंग. तो मेरी मम्मी उसको तोड़ के बाहर आ गई एंड शी लाइक, बेटा तुम सिलेक्ट हो गए. आई वाज लाइक, मम्मा क्या बोल रहे, माँ आपने वो तोड़ दिया. शी लाइक, नो बेटा छोड़ो, तुम सिलेक्ट हो गए. आई वाज लाइक, I gave her a hug and I'm like so thankful to her right now because she has done everything for me. And yeah, that's how my journey started. I went to the shoot in Umagaon, had a lot of fun memories with all the cast and crew member, and I'm still in contact with a lot of production people, and
Okay.
they have extraction and they like it.
आपके कुछ फैंस बोल रहे हैं कंटिन्यूअसली हिंदी में बोलो, तो चलो थोड़ा सा हिंदी में करते हैं। एंड सीजन इसके पार्ट 2 के बारे में लिख रहे हैं लोग कि क्या हो रहा है पार्ट 2 के बारे में, बिकॉज एक एंड का जो शॉट था जिसमें अगेन वी सॉ हिम, तो एक पार्ट 2 का जो एक अगेन एक हिंट दिया गया था, कुछ बताइए उसके बारे में।
हाँ, काफी मिस्टीरियस एंडिंग थी वो फिल्म की, और मैं बता नहीं सकता कि वो जीवित है या नहीं, लेकिन यस, देयर विल बी कुछ पार्ट 2 की बात चल रही है अभी। जो रूसो सर हैज बीन राइटिंग द स्क्रिप्ट, लिख रहे हैं वो। मैं बता नहीं सकता इफ अगर वो प्री सीक्वल होगा या सीक्वल होगा, लेकिन यस, वहाँ एक एक्सट्रैक्शन पार्ट 2 जरूर होगी, क्योंकि हमने फिल्म क्लिफ हैंगर पे छोड़ी है, काफी ऑडियंस आ रहा है उसके वजह से। लेकिन यस, लोगों को एक्सट्रैक्शन पार्ट 2 जरूर देखने को मिलेगा।
और एक कंटिन्यूअस सवाल जो आ रहा है कि आपकी कोई क्रश, गर्लफ्रेंड या हु इज योर क्रश, उसके बारे में बताइए।
सर, राइट नाउ एट दिस टाइम मेरे को ऐसा लगता है आई शुड on my career. There should be no focus distraction. I should completely focus on my career, take my right steps, my directions. But there's nothing like that. And I like my favorite actress and my actor. I'll tell you that. My favorite actress is Priyanka Chopra, and my favorite actor is Vicky Kaushal in Bollywood, and my favorite actor in Hollywood is Chris Hemsworth, all-time favorite. And in Hollywood, my favorite actress is Gal Gadot, who plays Wonder Woman. So yeah.
वाह, बट नेक्स्ट फिल्म आपकी जो है वो भी एक बहुत ही बड़ी फिल्म, मतलब बिग वन विद नोलन, या प्लीज
Yes, sir.
उसके बारे में, यू आर इन
Yes.
टेनेट राइट?
Yeah. There is a film which is called The Tenant, और वो लिखी गई है शुश्रुत जैन सर ने लिखी है, और वो सिलेक्ट हुई है 2 अब्रॉड फिल्म फेस्टिवल्स में, डैलस फिल्म फेस्टिवल एंड द न्यूपोर्ट बीच फिल्म फेस्टिवल। और right now the talks are going on, but very nice that the film select हो चुकी है इतने बड़े film festivals में, वो भी abroad. That's a really very good news for me. And yeah, hopefully he's saying that वो film August या फिर September में release हो जाएगी।
ओके, कुछ और सवाल आया है कि आपको सलमान खान कितने पसंद है? डू यू लाइक सलमान खान?
Yeah, I love Salman Khan. I mean, he's a legend of Bollywood. Yeah, fitness, his acting, I love his dance also. I love him.
चलो, that's great. What's happening next? That's what they have been asking.
So the film, The Tenant, talks have been going on right now with the producers and the directors and with few big companies, and hopefully might release in August or in September. I've been working for few advertisements from home only, like Boost. They have been contacting me, so I've been looking for advertisements and a lot of interviews for Extraction only. So that's been going on, and FaceTiming a lot of my friends, studying. That's the most important thing right now, online schooling. And also I've been doing a lot of online gymnastic classes, so
Okay.
I keep up with my sir and he teaches me the wall back, the flips, somersaults. So I've been doing that also, and online voice modulation class. So just started,
Nice.
but that helps me because at this time I feel it's a very very good time to utilize uh, time on your skills to develop them, because after lockdown you may not know what may be important for you in
Yeah.
whichever field.
And plus the Marvel film, fingers crossed for that.
That would be great.
Yeah, of course it will be. All the best for your ventures, and thank you for being with us. Yeah, we will
Thank
meet up soon, and take care and stay safe. Yeah.
you. Take care, stay safe.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys.